Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss some arithmetic on profit and loss. You know, we have already discussed 20 arithmetics on profit and loss. Today we shall begin from number 21. In number 21 is like this: a dishonest fruit vendor, ଠକ ଅସଚ୍ଚୋଟ ଫଳ ବେପାରୀ, professes to sell his goods at a cost price. ଯେତିକିରେ କିଣୁଛି ସେତିକିରେ ବିକି ଦେଉଛି. କଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ରାଇସ୍ ଯେତିକିରେ କିଣୁଛି ସେତିକିରେ ବିକି ଦେଉଛି. But he uses a weight of 800 grams for the kg weight. Find his gain percent. The person, that vendor, sells his product at the cost price. Suppose if he bought at 100 rupees, that means he would sell at 100 rupees. Cost price 100, selling price 100. There is no profit, there is no loss. But problem is that he uses a weight of 800 grams instead of 1000 grams. The profit is here. Profit is 1000. 1 kg is 1000, minus 800 gram is equal to 200 gram. Could understand? His gain is 200 gram. At what? At 800? Could understand? When the weight is 800, profit is 200 gram, right? When the weight is 1 gram, the profit is 200 upon 800. When it is 100, the gain is equal to 100. 0, 0 cancel. 8, 5 the 2 the 8 to the how many? 16. Remainder 4, 0, 45. So 25. Gain percent is how many? 25. Correct. Which is correct? Tell me. 3. Number 3 is correct. Right. Next one is 21. What did I say? That is 22. A dishonest fruit vendor professes to sell his goods at a profit of 10%. But he uses a weight of 16 gram. What gram? Just 1 minute. 16 gram for 20 gram. Find his gain percent. Could understand? That means suppose CP is equal to 100. CP is equal to what? 100. Gets a 10%, that means SP is equal to 110. CP profit. Could understand? Here he gets a 10%. Could understand? For how much? For 1000 gram. In 1000 gram, he gets rupees 10 rupees as a profit. He defrauds. That means what? Instead of 20 gram, he gives 16 gram. Could understand? Could understand or not? So gets how much benefit? 4 grams, 20 gram, 16 gram is equal to 4 gram benefit. In 20 gram, benefit is 4. Right? In 1 gram, benefit is equal to 4 by 20. In 1000 gram, 1000 gram benefit is equal to 1000 benefit is equal to 0, 0, 250 is equal to 200 gram. 200 gram. Could understand? Here also he makes a profit. 1000 gram is equal to how many? Tell me.
10.
1000 gram is selling price is how many?
110.
110. 110 upon 1000. Therefore 200 gram into 200 gram. Okay. 5 to the yes 10 to the 22. So here a 10, here a 22. How many? 32%. So is gain percentage 32%. Which is correct? Tell me.
Number 4.
Number 4. How many is given?
37.5.
37.5. That is 37.5. We have made some mistake somewhere. Okay. So which number? Tell me.
22. Number 22.
22. Yes, 22. Yes. So suppose let CP be 100, profit 10, SP, CP. SP is equal to 110, right? 1 kg is equal to 1 kg. 1 kg or that is 1000 gram is equal to how many? 100 CP. This is CP. 800 means why 800? Why 800? Because instead of 1000 he gives 800. That is instead of 20. So instead of 20, in 20 he gives 16 in gram. 16 upon 20, 1000 into 1000. Right? 0, 50 is equal to 800 gram. That means instead of 1000 gram, he gives 800 gram. So let's see. 800 gram is equal to cost 1000 gram costs 100. Could understand? One hundred gram, 1 gram will cost 100 upon 1000. 800 will cost 800 into 800. 00 cancel the 0, 0, 00 cancel the 0, 0 cancel 0. How many rupees? Tell me. So 80 rupees. Could you understand? So 800 gram is sold at 1 not 1 gram is equal to 1 not upon 800. Therefore 1000 into 1000. 00 cancel. 2 5 the 2 4 the 2 2 the 2 55 the is equal to how many? 137.50 upon 2. Sorry 275. This is not wrong. 5 the 25, 5 here, 5 here, 2. 5 the 25 to 27 upon 2 is equal to 137.5. So gain percent is equal to minus 100 is equal to 37 point. Right, this is the answer. Correct answer is this one. Could you understand? Next one is a grocer seller. A grocer sells rice at a profit of 20% and uses weight which is 25% less. Find is total percentage. Could you understand? So 20% profit. Suppose 1 kg is equal to 1 kg. 1 kg means how many? Or 1000 gram is equal to 100 CP. Profit 20, SP 120 SP, right? But he sells 75 gram. 20% less means 20% of 1000 is equal to 20% of 1000 is equal how many? 250. 1000 minus 250 is equal to 750 gram. So he sells 750 gram at what price? At 120. 1 gram upon 750, 100 in 100. 0 cancelled, right? 25 3 the, 25 4 the, 3 4 the is equal to how many? 16. How many?
160.
160.
1000.
1000. This is 1000. 160. Okay, 160. So this is 160 minus 100 CP. This is SP. CP is equal to 60. So profit is how many percent?
60.
Which number is correct?
Number 3.
Number 3 is correct. Oh, no, this is number 3 is correct. Right? Next one is how many number? 24.
24.
A cloth dealer professes to lose 20% on a certain garments. Professes. Okay. Professes to lose 20% on certain garments, but he uses a meter having a length of 9 cm only and charges for the meter. Find his gain or loss percent. Suppose this is 24. Suppose CP is equal to 100 cm. 100 cm is cost how much? 100. Loss, this is CP. Loss 20. This is 80, this is SP. Could you understand? So 90 cm, actually instead of 100 cm he gives 90 cm. So 90 cm is given for 8. 1 cm by 9. Therefore 100 cm into 100. How many? Let's see, that is how many? 0, 0. So,
Say 80.
oh, 8. This is 8. Really. Thank you. 8. Okay. 1. 80 upon 90. 100 into 100. Is equal to 800 upon 9. So let's say see profit or loss. 100 minus 800 by 9 is equal to how many? 9. 900 minus 800 is equal to 100 by 9. Could you understand? Find his gain or loss profit. Loss or profit, tell me.
Loss.
Loss, it is 11. 9, 11 the 99, remainder 1, 1 by 9% loss. 11, 1 90%. Which is correct?
2.
2. Yet, no, it is not 9, it is 2. This is 2.
Not
Okay.
9. I read with 9.
Yes, this is 9. By mistake, it is written 2. Okay.
Space.
Okay, done. Which is correct?
Number 2.
Next one is 25. A tradesman defrauds to the extent of 10% in buying goods and also defrauded to the extent of 10% in selling. In buying and selling, in both the cases. So that means instead of 1000, he brings 11 1100 grams. This is gram, this is gram. Could understand? Again, he sells them. Instead of 1000 gram, he sells 900 grams. Could understand? He brings 1100 gram instead of 1000. For RS 100. Could understand? Here he gets it 100 grams of profit. Right? He sells 900 grams instead of 1000 gram. 1000 gram. Could understand? So, here he makes a 10% profit. 10% profit in... Actually, he bought 11 grams at 100. Make it 10% profit. 10 is only, it becomes what? 110. Right? 110. Again, he gets 11 is equal to total he gets, this is 11 and it's 10%, 110, total 1 to 1 and profit percentage 11 is equal to 2110. In 1000 he gets, could understand? Again we shall do it. 1000 instead of 1000 he brings 1100. Here he gets one. How many? How many percent? Yet total 100 gram. Right? Again he makes profit. It's 10% profit. It's 10% is equal to 10% is equal to 0000. Okay, 00. So 110. Here 110. Total how many? 1210. Could understand? But he actually he has paid 1000 price, that is 210. So in 1000 gram he makes profit 210. In 1 upon 1000 into 100 into 100. 0000 is equal to 21%. Right? Which one is correct?
1.
1. That is just 1 minute. Here double entry has been made. Number 1 is correct. Right? Next one is 26. A tradesman means of false balance refers to extent of 10% in buying goods, and also by means of false balance refers to this extent of 10% in selling goods. The same thing, but here is a little change. He brings what? Tell me. Brings 1100 gram instead of 1000. Here he gets 100 gram profit. Could understand? And also he gives how much? Gives 10%. Default 10%, that is instead of 1000 gram he gives 900 gram. Here also another 100% gram. Total 200 gram profit. Could understand? Could understand? In 900, in 900 he gains 200 gram. In 100 upon 900 in 100 into 100 is equal to 0000 cancel is equal to 200 upon 9. 200 upon 9 means 9 to the 18. 9 to the 2 upon 2 upon 9%. Which is correct?
Number 2 and number 4.
Number 4 is correct.
Yes.
Number 4 is correct. Next 27. Number 20, a tradesman marks his goods 20% above the cost price. Suppose the cost price is 100 CP. Market price MRP is equal to 20, that is 120. This is MRP. He offers 10% discount. 10% discount means 120 upon 90 upon 100 is equal to selling price space 0 0 cancelled, 0 0 cancelled, 0 0 1 not 80. This is SP. CP 100, 1 not 80 minus 100 is equal to 80%. Profit percent is how many?
2.
2, number 2, that is 8%. Right. Next, what is number 28? Rishabh marks his goods 30% above the CP. CP is equal to 100. Marks, this is CP. 30 is 30 plus 1, 30. This is MRP. Right. But allows 30% discount. That means 130 into 70 upon 100, 0 0 0 0 is equal to 7 3 da 21, here 1, 7 1 is 2, 91. Could understand? So actually his CP is equal to 100 and SP is equal to 91. Could understand? If he sells the article for 2,732, this is selling price 27. This is selling price at 30% discount. So when 91 is selling price at 30% discount, CP is equal to 100. When 100 upon 91, when the SP is 2,730 at a 30% discount, the CP is equal to 2,730. Okay. 3 is equal to 3,000. CP is equal to 3,000. Which is correct?
Number 4.
Number 4 is correct. Could you understand?
Yes.
Number 4 is correct. Next one is 29. A dealer wants to earn 20% profit on an article after offering 25 discount to the customer. If the cost price of an article is 300, CP is equal to 300 is equal to CP. Could you understand? CP is equal to how many? CP is equal to 20% of 20% of it is equal to, this is a dealer wants to earn 20% profit. 20% profit means 120. No, just 1 minute. It's 20% of 300 is equal to 300 into 20 upon 100. 0 is equal to 60 rupees. That means 300 is 60. This is called SP. This is CP. This is SP. Could you understand? So he sells the article at 360 after allowing 25%. Could you understand? After allowing 20%, that means it is the 75% of MRP. This is the 75% of MRP. Could you understand? Because 20% discount has been given. So this is the 75% of the MRP. So MRP X into 75% 100 is, for example, and let's take MRP is equal to X. Its 75% is equal to 360. Implies that X is equal to 360 into 100 upon 75. Right? 75 3 the 75 4 the 3 120 the is equal to 480. Correct answer is
1.
1. Number 1. Could you understand? Number 1. Another sum is there. A dealer wants to earn 25% profit on article. Suppose it is 100 and he wants 25%, that is this is CP, and this is what? Just 1 minute. A dealer wants to make a 20% profit on article after offering 50% discount to the customer. If the market price of this article is 500, then the cost price of the article must be, let's say, count. So our MRP is equal to how many? MRP is equal to 500. Could understand? It's 50% is equal to, it's a half. It's 50% means it's a half. Could understand? So it's 500 into 50 upon 100 is equal to 250. This is 50. 250. Could understand? This is the SP. This is the SP. Could understand? So he wants to earn 25% on article after ethical, if the market cost price 50% discount to the customer. If the market price, level price of the article is then the cost price of the article is. Here, this is the SP with 25% profit. Could understand? This is the selling price with 25%. For example, suppose CP is equal to 100, profit 25, SP 125. So with a 25% profit. So when selling price is 125, CP is equal to 100. When 100 upon 125, when how many? 250. Let's see. 250. 125 into 2 is equal to 250 is equal to 200. So CP is equal to how many?
1.
CP is equal to 200. Which is the correct? Number 1 is the correct. Right? Okay, done. That's like a good boy. With this, that is the end of today's math class. We shall discuss the other maths in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.